Hi, I'm Martin Gaynor. I'm the instructor for the course, The Industrial Organization of Healthcare, which will be offered at SEMFI Summer School this year. Healthcare is one of the biggest sectors of the economies of many, many countries in the world. It's nearly 1/5 of the US economy. It's between 10, 12, 13% of the economies of most countries in Europe, like France, Germany, Italy, Sweden, United Kingdom, etc., etc. It's often the largest sector of the economies of most rich, developed countries. So it's important simply because it's big and because it's a big part of national income in many countries. But it's important also because of the impact of healthcare on people's health and well-being and productivity. And those effects are very, very large and can actually potentially dwarf the importance of the amount of money that's spent on healthcare. So it's a very important area. It's also a very interesting area to work for economists. So the healthcare sector has it all. It has uncertainty. It has asymmetric information. It has differentiated products. It has not-for-profit and public firms as well as for-profit firms. It has market power. So it has it all. For an IO economist, there's a lot going on here and there's a lot to analyze. So it's very interesting. The problems are not necessarily completely unique to healthcare, but the constellation of issues that arise make it a very interesting area to work. And as I said, obviously, it's very important. In addition, for somebody doing empirical work in healthcare, it's a great area because there are a lot of very rich, very detailed data. So public sector plays a large role in healthcare everywhere in the world. And as a result, there are a lot of data that are collected on the healthcare sector every place. And that means that they're very detailed data reported on a regular basis that are available to researchers. So there are a lot of good data available that researchers can look at to try and test hypotheses in models about the industrial organization of healthcare. So there's a lot of really neat stuff that can be done here. And again, I think it's really fun. Now, in this course, it's 5 days, so we're not going to cover every single thing that you could cover in industrial organization in healthcare. But we're going to cover 3 major areas. One, really sort of a prelude or to get us ready for thinking about these things, will be the theory of optimal insurance, and then what implications the presence of health insurance has for the functioning of healthcare markets, in particular, so the optimality of competition in healthcare markets. Because once you start thinking about what's happening in the presence of insurance, it's not 100% obvious that's the case. Second, we'll look at competition in markets with administered prices, specifically hospital markets. So the United States prices are set, at least on the private side of healthcare, in markets by negotiation between health insurers and, say, hospitals or doctors or other healthcare entities. But that's a bit unique. Many other places in the world, the Netherlands, UK, etc., prices are set administratively. But to the extent that patients or their doctors have choice over where patients are treated, there's the potential for competition between healthcare providers. So we'll take a look at that. There's been quite a lot of work done on this, both theoretically and empirically, and we'll look at some of the important theory, but really focus on empirical work. Then the third part of the course will be more sort of regulatory focused. One key issue in the economics of healthcare and the industrial organization of healthcare is how to pay healthcare providers. Every regulatory system has to decide how the firms that are regulated are going to get paid. And that's no different here. This is a very important issue for hospitals and for doctors. And so we'll look at some papers that look at optimal payment of healthcare providers, both some theoretical considerations, but again, also some empirical work. It turns out that it's possible to characterize empirically what optimal contracts for healthcare providers look like. So those are the topics we'll be doing. There'll be presentations both by me and by those of you that choose to enroll in the course. I'm looking forward to meeting you. And the emphasis will be on not just covering material, but really sort of providing you with material that will be useful in your own research, both to give you ideas for new topics that you might pursue, and also then to give you some tools and perspectives on the way research gets done here. And I will make sure to make a lot of time in office hours and also in class for people to talk about their research projects, work in progress, or ideas. And by the end of the class, albeit rather short, I think that we'll have had an opportunity for all of us in the class to talk together, discuss, to give some ideas, feedback, reinforcement on the things that people are interested in pursuing. So I hope you'll sign up for the course, and I look forward to seeing you in Madrid in August. Bye.